Today, Rayne and I are going to try to help you sing the Spider-Man theme song. Rayne is right now doing his Spider-Man exercises. Can you come over here, Rayne? There we go. He can act like Spider-Man. And what else do you think Spider-Man would do to exercise, Rayne? Yeah, he would stretch his legs. Yeah, we do lots of those exercises to get strong. All of his muscles in his body. It's very important. Then you feel better. And there is Spider-Man. Okay, let's go over here, Rayne, and we'll try to help the kids sing the Spider-Man song, okay? Come on, honey. Oh, here he comes. Spider-Man, Spider-Man, does whatever a spider can. Spins a web and he sighs. Can you see? Just like eyes. Look out, here comes a Spider-Man. Good, Rayne. Is he strong?
And he's strong.
Listen up.
Listen up.
Okay. He's got radio.
They're not.
Active blood. Good job. Can he swing from a thread? Can he swing
Yeah.
from a thread?
What?
It's like string. Take a look overhead. That's right. Hey there, there goes a Spider-Man in the chill of the night. Where am I here? At the scene of a crime, like a stream of a light, he arrives just in time. Whoops! We lost him. There he is. He's doing his exercises. But it's hard to see you because of the reflection of the light, Rayne. Can you come back? Spider-Man, Spider-Man, friendly neighborhood Spider-Man, welcomes face. My goodness. Welcome face, he's ignored. Action is his reward. To him, life is a great big bang. Come back, please. Wherever there's a hang, you'll find Spider-Man. There he is, right behind me. Can you go upside down like Spider-Man does sometimes? Kind of. Okay. Say good night, Spider-Man. Do you have to go to work now?
Yeah.
Okay. See you later, kids.